and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. Just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a Clubman SE 2017 that we've got in our used stock. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. The Clubman range benefiting from that 7'8" wide body shell, giving you a fantastic feeling of space. In 2017, Lunar went for this beautiful black front locker box. You're benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point, wet locker box with 240-volt socket, and also that wonderful Clubman logo going down the side of the caravan. You've got the machine blacked alloys that are located here, and also this particular model benefits from a Truma motor mover already fitted. You've got a rear access hatch to underneath that spacious French bed with bin on the door and also window with blind. So as you step inside the caravan, you've got a medium under counter fridge, a nice large kitchen work surface with worktop extension, a beautiful two-tone locker finish that goes throughout the caravan and really offsets, creating that fantastic feeling of space. A panoramic sunroof at the front, and then your television point located on the right here, which you can pop a TV onto this spacious front chest area with pull-out table. PIR sensor for the alarm. And then here's a good look at that wonderful fabric scheme chosen in 2017. Also benefiting from the Aldi wet central heating, located by the habitation door and just above the main control centre for the caravan. One of the real features in the Lunar range is this wonderful full stretch sunroof that you see here, letting a huge amount of light into the caravan, giving a fantastic feeling of space. You've got USB ports in the kitchen area as well. An easy usable height microwave located here, next to a second television point, should that be a need or consideration for you, and further storage underneath and above. As we step through to the bedroom area, you've got wonderful storage space there, and also storage space underneath this very large French bed. You have a third television point in the bedroom area located there. A very spacious and tall wardrobe with drawers located underneath for further storage. And then one of the lovely features in the Lunar caravans is the extremely spacious individual shower cubicles. So individual shower cubicle with hanging rail and easy to close door. You've got a beautiful finish on the sink area with storage underneath and a nice tall vanity mirror. The Aldi wet central heated towel rail, and also further storage located above the toilet. Touch dimmable spotlights are located and dotted throughout the caravan, with also individual switch on LED spotlights. So that gives you a real good feel for the Clubman SE 2017 that we have in stock. I hope you've enjoyed the walk around tour. If you have any queries or questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. We look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.